come across some very lucrative side hustles in the past couple years. And since I'm in the business of helping people, I'm going to tell you what they are. So let's get to it. All right, let's do that again. And then we're going to be done. Jumbo, welcome back. Today's video, I am going to be giving you 6 side hustles that you can do in 2020 to earn some extra cash this year, to do whatever you want, whether it's pay off debt, whether it's go on vacation, whether it's buy some new boots, whether it's get your nails done. I don't know what it is. You want to save up that emergency fund? Yes. These are 6 side hustles that you can do in 2020. Some of them are stay at home and some of them you got to get out. So coming in at number 1 is Upshifts. Upshifts has been kind of like my go-to for making some extra cash, and also meeting really nice people, getting to work different jobs and kind of experience different industries, and also sometimes you get to eat really good. And anybody that knows me knows I love to eat. So how this works is you download this app and you apply to be an upshifter, and once you're approved, you go in and you fill out your new hire information, and then you're all good to go. You now have the access to all the jobs that are available for you to work. And the great thing about this is there is no long-term commitment. You have up to 24 hours to cancel a shift if you feel like you cannot make it, and with no penalty against you. And then you have the option to work one day. They have some jobs that are a week long too. They also have the pay listed and the amount of hours that you will be working. They also give you in the description of what to wear and what not to wear, where to show up, who to talk to when you get there. You can clock in 5 minutes before your shift starts. And then once the shift is over, you just clock out. You get paid every Friday. Right now, Upshift is only in a few states. So I will just link the information in the description box below. You can check it out to see if it's in a state near you. The second side hustle is Shipt. Shipt is kind of like Instacart. It's really pretty similar to Instacart, and what you do is you pretty much pick up groceries and deliver it to customers. You also have the option to shop for those groceries and then bring them out to their car. So just depending on what you apply for and what the customer wants, you just do that. So it's a great way, again, to earn some additional income. The next opportunity is called UI testing. This is something where you're going to be testing out user interfaces for companies or apps. They'll give you specific questions and tasks that you must complete. And you can get from like $10, I've seen some $30 and $60 incentives for your time. These are either websites that have not launched yet and they're just trying to get a feel for, you know, how the customer is perceiving these apps, and they want to pay people to do this. So typically the $10 ones that I've seen so far is no more than 10 to 20 minutes working on it, and the $60 ones, typically they want 60 minutes. So for an hour you get $60. So $60 an hour, hey. So before you actually proceed to a test, you have to qualify. So they will ask you questions like, does this, so they can see if the website even fits something that you're interested in, if it fits your interest. So can also be very, very fun too, just to get the inside scoop to a new product before it launches. And if it's something that you're really interested in, then you know it may really benefit you too in the long run. The fourth side hustle is research studies. Now, research studies are all over. This is where companies want consumers to come in and either do a panel discussion or a one-on-one, or sometimes they will give you products to take home and they want your feedback on these products. They want to know what consumers think about their products before they either, one, revamp a product that's already existing, or two, release a new product out. These are opportunities that they really pay good money for, and for just like an hour of your time. I've gotten paid anywhere from $50 to $125 just for an hour, sometimes 2 hours. So that's another way to gain some extra money on the side. I will link in the description box below the companies that I've worked with and I'm working with. The last opportunity is Rakuten. So with this side hustle, you don't have to do a thing but go shopping. What? You get paid to shop. And guess what? You're not shopping for anybody else. You're shopping for you. Huh? What? Who would have thought? You actually get cash back for just doing your regular shopping online. They also have an option where you can link your account up to your debit card so that when you make online purchases or in-store purchases, you also get credit and you get cash back on spending money that you were already going to spend anyway. I signed up and within a month, I got $30 cash back. Again, I will leave a link in the description box below for how you can get started on all these opportunities. And I'm so glad that you joined me today again, and I hope you found something very helpful in this video. Please let me know in the comments below if there's another side hustle that you're doing. You want to share that with us because we want to know. Until next time.